Hey guys, I just wanted to give you some information about how to navigate the online textbook if for some reason you don't finish reading and annotating The Monkey's Paw in class. For three of my classes, we went through and got our online profiles and everything set up. But for first and second hour, you guys were supposed to have done that before you came to class today. My guess is that there's probably some of you that have not done that. So in the class and homework assignment folder, there is directions for logging into the online textbook. So if you've already done this 5th, 6th, and 7th hour, then you don't have to do this. But if you're in 1st and 2nd hour, you do. If you haven't done it already, if you open this up, it tells you how to get to the website. So that's the website that you go to, My HRW. Your username is your email address, so S and then at Park Hill, all of that. Your password is your first and last name initials with no capital letters. And then it is the month and day and full year of your birth. So I gave an example here with April because sometimes if your birthday is January through September, since those months are single digits, you'd put a 0 in front of it, but you don't this time. So for April, it would just be 4 instead of 04. And because the birthday is on the 2nd instead of 02, you just put 2. If you try to put your password in incorrectly 3 times, it'll lock you out. So you have to make sure that you're not that you follow all of these directions in order to get in. Okay. Once you're in, it'll say welcome to the dashboard. You click through all of these prompts and you get to the student ebook page. It'll be your dashboard that has the student ebook in it. Once you're in the student ebook or your dashboard, yours will look a little bit different because yours is a student, mine's the teacher dashboard, but you will have over here on this page somewhere, or this section somewhere, you'll have student ebook. So you'll click on it to open. Tells me I'm not logged in, so I gotta log in. Okay, so here's my ebook. I'm gonna open that up. I'm going to go over here to contents on the left-hand side of the page. I'm already logged in, so I gotta back out just a little bit. Yours will look like this. So you're going to go to collection 2, which is the Thrill of Horror. And then you're gonna go down to The Monkey's Paw and read the text. So then that will take you to the first page of The Monkey's Paw. You'll also see over here on the side, there are a couple of different things. You can bookmark pages if you want to, if there's something on there that you need to go back to. You can take notes if you want to, although you guys have your annotation page, so you shouldn't need to do that. You can mess around with the page view a little bit if you want it to be double-sided and it be both on the same side. You can do that, so you can play around with how you want that to look. And then the audio. I lost my page view here. Sorry, guys. Let me get to where my audio is. Okay, so as soon as you're on a page that has text, then you can click on audio and you can actually listen to it while you are reading as well. So that is an option for you if you want to do that. So part 1, you'll just read through part 1. If you started it in class, then you should already be a little ways into it, so you can just find where you left off and you can stop before you get to part 2. So there will be a little comprehension quiz on Monday, so make sure you get that finished up. And I will see you guys on Monday. Have a good weekend.